around the circle, which is set up for final approach. Sonic booms now heard at the Kennedy Space Center announcing Discovery's arrival. 3.5 minutes to touchdown. 2 minutes to touchdown. Discovery traveling 400 miles an hour. Discovery beginning to line up with runway 15. This is the northwest to southeast approach at the Kennedy Space Center. During this point in the flight, the shuttle's descent rate is 20 times higher, and the glide slope is 7 times steeper than a commercial airliner. Discovery speed 400 miles an hour. Its altitude 2 miles, continuing to line up with the runway there at KSC. Discovery speed 370 miles an hour. This is Space Shuttle Discovery's final minutes of flight. Space Shuttle Discovery now on final approach to the Kennedy Space Center. Just more than 30 seconds to go. Discovery's gear is down and locked. Main gear touchdown. The nose of the shuttle being rotated down toward the flight deck. The parachute being deployed. And nose gear touchdown and the end of a historic journey. And to the ship that has led the way time and time again, we say farewell, Discovery.
Discovery for the final time. We will stop.
Instead of using this fourth stage or third stage, this 4B stage, which did not reignite to take that to the moon or long distance, and use the command module, not only fired at once, but twice.
Gaseous oxygen vent hood, or beanie cap, is slowly being retracted away from the top of the external tank. Test conductor John Craxton.
That's the last launch mission and landing of Discovery in 2011.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
Last time she flew.
Yeah.
1 minute, 30 seconds and counting. All the systems are go. About 90 seconds away from the launch of Space Shuttle Discovery on the final mission. T-minus 1 minute and counting. The ground launch sequence will verify that the 3 main engines are ready to start. The booster joint heaters are being deactivated at this time. T-minus 48 seconds and we're transferring to orbiter internal power. Discovery is now running on 3 onboard fuel cells.
The only thing on this console in real time, we do track the International Space Station in real time.
All right.
That's where it's at right now over Australia.
Oh.
And we have a go for auto sequence start.
People find that interesting.
Primary control of all vehicles' critical functions.
Yeah, because I've always tried to find ways on the internet to see how things are going with the space station. Because people told me that there's I can do that, and
Yeah, well, there's
I
an app
haven't been
on
able
your.
to.
Should be an app you can put on your phone It's called an ISS tracker, and you can put your location in. It will tell you when it's going to come over where you are.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is awesome.
Kids get a kick out of how fast it flies, and they don't have a real sense of miles per hour. So I like to tell it because it orbits the Earth every hour and a half. I tell them the astronauts on the space station get to see 16 sunrises and sunsets in one day. They think that's way cool.
That is. Yeah, I mean, it's like even to this day, still learning more things.
Oh, absolutely. I will never quit learning.
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Yep. But we shouldn't. Let me put it that way. We should never stop learning.
Mm-hmm.
There's too much out there to learn about, especially now that the James Webb Telescope is sending back all those phenomenal pictures of what it's finding out there that we've never seen before. So
Yeah, and they're talking about like going to Mars. That's going to be really interesting.
I don't know if I'll live to see it, but it will be very interesting to see what they do come up with. Well, see, that's a lot of stuff that they experiment with now on the International Space Station is in preparation.
Try to get right up here and get more of this. Maybe they're fixing to close.
That's the one little piece of the Skylab that we have. It's in that. That's a piece of the actual Skylab when it came out of orbit and fell.
Oh, wow. That is...
It fell over Australia.
That's something to find something that small.
Said yeah.
I was saying that sure was something to find that small.
Well, they didn't think when it fell because it fell over Australia, and at the time, it was a very uninhabited land. They really didn't think they'd ever find any of it. But they do have a museum now in Australia where it fell. Because people keep bringing stuff in all the time. Said farmers find all kinds of metal and stuff in their fields. And that's pieces of the Skylab.
It's like your shed in your backyard, except it's got a Saturn V in it. That is the. How far have you seen a little bit of the
What?
What?
Oh, I was gonna walk her through shut down. Okay, you're done already.
I'm done the back part.
Okay, we'll do this. Trying to train her to. I'm trying to train her. We're trying to train her to get the.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Taking two pictures.
She doesn't really know the sequence, especially at the startup.
Oh.
So, maybe we can do another day with you this weekend. Next weekend, do a day with me.
That's fine.
Well, Gary Gerald's watching today from Collins, Georgia, up there.
Yeah, I gave you a notepad of some tape notes.
Yeah.
And so write stuff down so that when you go back and
Out
look
in
at it,
Los
you know
Angeles,
what
Doug, if you get
Yeah.
one of these in Denver,